Hi, my name is Tolani Olonisakin, and I am a physician scientist in training. My interest in basic biology propelled me to enter medical school as part of the Physician Scientist Training Program, which is a structured 5-year scholarship program that's designed for medical students with interest in basic science research. As part of the protected research year that's provided by the PSTP, I joined Dr. Janet Lee's lab to probe host defense mechanisms in the lung. A challenge that I encountered, that I think a lot of scientists encounter, was that I hypothesized something that turned out to be false. And what I learned from this was that when you set out in science to do an experiment, you are not proving your hypothesis, you are testing your hypothesis. Another challenge that I encountered was actually before even entering the lab, and that was in finding a good mentor to do my research with. To circumvent this, I met with my career advisor at the time, and she wrote a list of people that she thought I would do great work with. And I went through this list. I also asked Dr. Richard Steinman, who is the director of the program, for his own list, and just sort of went around and picked the brains of people that had been in the institution for a long time. And I met with 5 different mentors, and I ended up with Dr. Janet Lee. And I chose Dr. Janet Lee because she had a very defined project that was almost ready to go and for me to work with. So the first years of medical school can be very challenging. You have a lot of information that you have to learn in a very short amount of time. And it gets very overwhelming with balancing your preclinical duties with your research work. And what I find is that 2 things helped me in sort of balancing all of the work that I had to do. One was having a project that I really did enjoy and that drove me to wake up in the morning to do the work that I needed to do. Another thing that was very helpful for me was having a very good mentor. And this is why in my search for a mentor for the lab, I really did do an extensive search, and I was lucky enough to be paired with an incredible mentor that I still work with and I'm still very happy with. One last piece of advice I'd have to give to students that are considering the program is enjoy yourself. Research is actually a lot of fun.